Welcome, welcome everyone. Now you're here, let's have some fun. First we'll clap our hands like so. Then we'll bend and touch our toes. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now you're here, let's have some fun. Hi everyone, my name is Miss Marianna from Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and today is story time. I will be sharing with you My Truck is Stuck by Kevin Lewis and Daniel Kirk and published by Little Brown Books. What is this you see? Tire marks? My truck is stuck. Uh-oh. Dump truck coming down the road. Dump truck hauling a big great load. Round and round the wheels they go. Round and round into a hole. Rotten luck, can't go. My truck is stuck. Gears grind, the engines roars. The truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Oh no, the wheel is stuck in the hole. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep beep, here comes a car. Full of travelers, traveling far. Can they help? Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Tug and tow, 1, 2, engines roar, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. Help! Please help! Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep beep! Here comes a van, driven by a moving man. Help! Can they help us? Uh-oh, rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Drag and draw, tug and tow, 1, 2, 3, engines roar. The truck won't go. Help! Please help! Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep beep! Here comes a Jeep. Up a hillside, very steep. Help! Can the Jeep help? Oh no! Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Helft and halt, tug and tow, 1, 2, 3, 4, engines roar. The truck still won't go. Help, please help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep beep. Here comes a bus full of youngsters. What a fuss! Who's he calling? Uh-oh, was the bus able to help them? Rotten luck, can't go, my truck is stuck. Log and large, tuck and tow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, engines roar. The truck won't go. What are these guys doing? Are they taking the bones out of the dump truck? Honk, honk. No need to panic. Here comes a tow truck with a mechanic. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure, to move it on its way. Just hook it up and then you'll say, what luck! My truck's not stuck. Hooray, they did it. Vroom, vroom. Now, a car, a van, a jeep, and bus all move on without a fuss. And the dump truck rolls down the road on its way to deliver a great big load. As an activity, why don't you collect all your dump trucks outside and see what it can haul? Can it haul sand, dirt, leaves, bugs, acorns? Take a picture and share it with me. Thanks for coming. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.